Hey everyone, what's up? It's me again. I have a question because I need some help here. I've gotten the model as to where it is right now. Um, Detachable, a lot of detachable parts, but the thing is, I have a couple of interiors, um, front seats, rear seats that I've made. The thing is, if we go to the catalog and we go to the interior, um, I had the sport seats, which were in red, and then I had the SXI seats, and then I had the cheapo rear seats from the first phase model. The thing is, everything shows up except for this one. So I have absolutely no idea what the hell happened. I've cross-checked the CFG file in the RDB, the class file. Make sure I have made sure that all the names are correct, and the Java file is correct. Yeah, CFG class and Java files are all correct. I've done this a couple of times right now. Judging from all the seats that are in the game, I've done so, and you can see here the cheapo right seat. It doesn't matter where you click, where it would physically be. It says it's there. So my files are invisible. So that's a problem that I have right now at this moment. I have the seats here. If you are wondering, hey, it's number 4 and number 6. It used to be number 5, but yeah, number 5, that gave me a lot of problems. Um, so I redid the whole scripting thing, made a new CFG, new class file, new Java file, and I thought, maybe it's the number. I will just delete that and proceed with number 6. I've even exported the 3ds Max file to um, export it as the number 6. So yeah, I'm at a loss here. I've restarted 3ds Max, restarted my computer, restarted my Notepad++, everything. So my question is, does anyone know what needs to be done when you have scripted in an object and it doesn't show in SLRR? Um, what have I done wrong? If you know, if you have the answer, please let me know, because I've been messing about with this for a couple of hours now, and yeah, no fun. So, love to hear from you. Thanks. Bye bye.